learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up, everyone? It's time for Practical Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello, 大家好，我是 Alice Peng。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and this month we have a very cool and practical theme. I ask this all the time. 我常常都会问这句话耶，就是要问说，你等一下有空吗？
约会吗？
有可能是啊，哈。This question right here means.Are you free later? Or do you have some time right now? Okay, and I think it's very practical because I say it very often, especially when we want to ask someone out, okay? 好，怎么说？你等一下有空吗？
等一下。
等一下。
有閒嗎？
有閒嗎？有閒就是有閒嗎？
有空嗎？
That means do you have some free time later? All right? So your answer could be 有。You? Okay, that means yes. All right, so I'm asking if you have time, you say yes. The next thing, 我接下来问的问题呢，不是要约会哦，是要你帮忙做东西。所以帮忙怎么说呢？ How do you say, I need some help, you know, help?
天数
哦，就是给我一只手那种感覺，對不對？
感覺上啦。
Okay.
天數
That means I can lend you a helping hand, okay, or I can help you.
天數那海陸腔天數
Okay, that's a different dialect of trying to help someone or trying to say help. 那因为我知道 Alice 是一个非常热情、美丽又乐意帮助别人的人，所以你的答案一定是没问题 ，no problem. How do you say that?
冇問題。
对，冇問題。Okay, let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. 我們就乾脆把這個幫忙整句教出來好了。
好啊，
才有誠意嘛，對不對？
好。
那不可能是你等一下有空嗎？幫忙，好，沒問題，不可能嘛。哈，來。Maybe 我要請你幫我倒垃圾，可以嗎？
什麼？原來剛剛是有目的的。
Yeah, I want Alice to help me take out the trash. So how do you say it? 請幫忙我倒垃圾。
搶老矮。
搶老矮。
天數倒垃圾。
天數倒垃圾。
搶老矮。天數倒垃圾。
天數倒垃圾。倒垃圾就是倒垃圾。That means take out the trash. And then the first part, 搶老矮. That means please help me with it. All right, that's good. Now I know how to say that. Let's review all these terms right now. How do you say yes, yo? You. And then for help, 帮忙. 天數. And no problem, 没問題.
冇問題.
All about asking if you have a little time later or if you're free right now. 等一下有空嗎？
等一下有閒嗎？
等一下有閒嗎？ And that's today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.